In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify payments into your online store. This process is quite straightforward and should take just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly manage transactions via Shopify payments. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin. This is your online hub for managing everything related to your Shopify store, from products to payments. Once you're logged in, locate the Settings section. It's often found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page where you can manage all your store's configurations. Now that you're in the right place, let's focus on integrating payments. Click on Payments, which is within the Settings menu. Here, you'll find various options to manage how your store handles payment processing. If you haven't yet activated Shopify Payments, you'll see this option prominently displayed. Go ahead and select to set it up. Setting up Shopify Payments involves entering your business and banking details. This is essential since it allows Shopify to transfer your sales revenue directly to your bank account. Follow the prompts carefully, filling in each field with accurate information. Shopify's prompts are designed to guide you step by step. Be sure to have your business and banking information handy before you begin to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted process. On the other hand, if you are already using a third-party provider but wish to switch to Shopify Payments, start by clicking the Manage button in the Shopify Payments section. You'll find an option to switch from your current third-party provider. Click on that, and Shopify will ask you to confirm the switch. This action will reroute all your payment processing through Shopify's system instead. Afterward, you'll be asked to enter any additional required information. Ensure all information entered is current and accurate, as this will affect your payment transactions and deposits. Once all the necessary information is filled out, the final step is activation. Click on Activate to confirm your details and finalize the setup process. Once your account is activated, don't forget to click Save. Saving your settings ensures that everything is stored correctly and your Shopify Payments integration is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Shopify Payments into your store, setting yourself up to accept payments efficiently. From now on, you can enjoy the seamless transaction tracking and fund transfers that Shopify Payments offers, providing a smoother checkout experience for your customers and more straightforward payment management for you.